Just because you can enter doesn't mean you should. Islam teaches boundaries before it teaches closeness. Allah says in Quran, O you who believe, do not enter houses other than your own, until you have sought permission and greeted their inhabitants. This verse isn't only about doors. It's about access. Islam protects privacy. Physical, personal, and digital. Reading private messages. Asking unnecessary questions. Showing up uninvited. Sharing what wasn't meant for you. All of this crosses boundaries Allah Himself placed. A believer doesn't force closeness. They wait to be invited. Respecting privacy is not distance. It is dignity. When you honor someone's space, Allah honors yours. Because the one who guards limits lives with barakah. Comment, Ya Allah, help me respect limits. Save this before stepping into others' matters. Follow for Islam that shapes character and society.